I've got a question, hopefully it can be answered, of my fellow. What stage are we at with the concessionaire? Have we had a report on that? Are we ready to divulge anything there, or on the cafe at the...
Well, my understanding is that there is a new operator in place.
Yeah, that's okay.
Tuesday of last week.
Yeah. So we did get a new operator. The cafe's back open at the airport.
Tuesday of last week.
Reopened,
yes.
Full time again.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Anything else of Taupo Airport Committee, Authority Committee? Councillor Minsher.
Just my question, Mayor, was the bad debts. Just whether we need to know who those people are and the businesses in the community. That's all.
Mr. Kaunihera, what's the story with that? We haven't actually resolved to write those debts off, have we?
No, we.
That's tomorrow's meeting, isn't it?
Are aware of the debts. There's two major ones in particular. One of them, the business is for sale, and the other one is questionable about the continuity of the business. We've stopped the contract, and I'm just a little bit conscious about the commercial sensitivity of the information in the public forum.
Yeah, we're going to have to address this, I think, TAA committee tomorrow. Thursday.
2 weeks.
2 weeks, 15th.
2 weeks, are we? Okay. Moving to Mangakino Pouakani Representative Group, chaired by Councillor Truman. Any matters arising from there? There being none, move on to Lake Taupo Protection Project Joint Committee, of which I am a member. I've probably got a little bit of a statement that I'd like to make regarding these minutes. That it is recognised by most people in the district that have taken a keen interest in the nitrogen reductions for the lake, that we have to increase that level slightly, the tonnage of nitrogen to be taken out of the lake. Firstly, I'd just like to say is that the committee and the trust are ahead of their targets at the moment. There are some funding issues going forward that have to be addressed, but I'm very pleased to say that central government has clearly indicated that it is a partner in this and will continue to be so. And we are working towards achieving that target. I believe by October next year we're hoping to have the job over and out, approximately. Fair comment? Fair. Thank you. Moving now to the Turangi-Tongariro Community Board. Any matters arising from there? Okay, being nothing. Apologies. Okay, well, I sense there's some people at the back of the room waiting for an agenda item, I believe to be number 10. So I will move to there so those people can get back to work if that's what they wish to do, and what have you. So, moving now, please, to agenda item